Welcome children. Take out your geography book. Chapter 10. India. Human Resources. Today's topic. Education. Education is an indispensable condition for human resource development. Now what is education? It's an indispensable condition for human resource development. It helps people to get a job and earn a good income. Now education. Education what it does? It helps the people to get a good job and even earn a good income. People invest in higher education to get highly paid jobs. Now why people invest money in education? Now people invest money in higher education so that they could get a highly paid job. Education not only imparts skills but also adds value to human beings. Now education not only it gives us skills but also it adds value in human beings. The further builds a progressive society and increases nation income. Now further this education, it builds a progressive society and increases the nation income. Educated parents educate their children. This is a virtuous cycle. Now educated parents, what they do? They educate their children. And what is it? It is a virtuous cycle. Moreover, educating a woman is educating a family. Educating a woman, what does it mean? It means that educating a family. Though Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan or right to education, all children are provided free and compulsory education between 6 and 14 years. Now, through this Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan or right to education, all children they are given free and compulsory education between the children 6 and 14 years. Not only opening a large number of schools necessary to facilitate literacy, but it is also important to impart quality education. Now, it's not only necessary that to impart education, a large number of schools are necessary to facilitate the literacy. It is also necessary to impart quality education, to encourage higher attention ratio in schools and reduce the maximum dropout. Midday meals were introduced in the government institution. Now, to encourage this higher education ratio in schools and even to reduce the maximum dropouts, midday meals it was introduced in the government institution. Higher literacy rate and yet attendance rate in schools and higher education and indicate the growth of education. Now, higher literacy rate and attendance ratio in schools and higher education, and what does it indicate? It indicates the growth of educated population and in the country. Now, skilled and unskilled human resources. People with knowledge and training are able to produce goods and services and thereby contribute to the economic growth of the country. Now, people who have knowledge and training, they are able to produce goods and even services and so can contribute to the economic growth of the country. Such people are termed as skilled. Skill is the ability to do a work with the help of training. Now, people who have knowledge and training, they are able to produce goods and give services and thereby they contribute to the economic growth of the country. And this type of people, they are termed as skilled and has the ability to do work with the help of training, expertise and practice. The teachers, trainers, counselors and principal in your school are all skilled human resources. Now, the teachers, trainers, counselors and principals, what are they? They are the skilled human resources. They are all trained to prepare human resources of the future. Now, these type of people, what are they? They are all trained to prepare human resources in the future. On the other hand, cleaners, rickshaw pullers and vendors on the street are unskilled. On the other hand, unskilled. Who are unskilled laborers? They are cleaners, rickshaw pullers, vendors on the street. They are neither trained to perform any productive work nor are educated. These type of people, they are neither have any training nor they are educated. They perform any odd jobs to make a living. Now what they do? They perform some odd jobs to make a living. Their income is poor and irregular. Now what type of income they have? Very poor income they have and irregular. Unskilled workforce in India is the highest. Now unskilled workforce in India, what is it? It is highest. However, Japan being a small country has so percentage skilled people and South Korea has 95%. Now Japan. Japan is a very small country, but it has skilled people, and South Korea, it has 96% skilled people. It means Japan and South Korea have trained most of the people and thus benefit from a greater number of human resources. And what does it mean? It means that Japan and Korea, they have trained most of the people and so they get the benefit from a greater number of human resources. This makes this country more developed than India. And what does it mean? It makes the country more developed than India. Lack of education and large size families often drive poor families to engage their children into earning for livelihood. Now, lack of education and large size families, what they do, they often drive their poor families to engage their children to earn their livelihood. This prevents them from education and training. And what happens? For this reason, they cannot get any education and training. Thus, child labor needs to be discouraged to increase the number of human resources in the country. And so it is very necessary that child labor should be discouraged to increase the number of human resources in the country. The national policy on skill development and entrepreneurship has been launched in India in 2015. Now, in 2013, the national policy on skill development and entrepreneurship has been launched. This policy to train around 100 million Indians by 2000. Now this policy, what does it do? It trains people near about 100 million Indians by 2022. This is a big step towards making India self-reliant and in turn on economic growth. And what is it? It's a very big step which makes India self-reliant and turn the facility economic growth of the country. Now take out your diary. Right? Chapter 10, India, Human Resources, topic, Education, explained, homework, revise it. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.